noticed in this 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power windows, power steering, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Call today to schedule a test drive.